everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't realized, I chopped all my hair off. Your girl doesn't normally style her hair this way, but the girl who did my hair decided to throw in some curls, and I have to say it's growing on me just a little bit. So I don't know, we'll see if I'll keep up the curls or if I'll go back to how I normally do my hair, but I don't know. It's kind of fun for summertime, so we'll see. Anyways, today we are going to be talking about some new exciting Scentsy news, of course. If you are a Disney fan, if you are a fanatic of Toy Story, then you may want to keep watching because Scentsy has just launched this week 2 new buddies after your favorite Toy Story characters. So we have Buzz Lightyear and we have Woody. So I don't have the buddies here. I haven't ordered them. I'm not sure if I'm going to be perfectly honest, but I wanted to at least share them with you in case you are a Toy Story fan. So we have, you will see kind of on my iPad here, hopefully there's not too much of a glare, but we have Buzz Lightyear buddy with a Buzz Lightyear inspired fragrance scent pack that will go inside of him. Or we also have a bundle with a Buzz Lightyear inspired Scentsy bar as well. Or you can buy just the scent packs inspired by your favorite buddy. That way, just by itself, if you already have a buddy and you don't really want the adorable Buzz Lightyear or Woody, you can purchase just the scent packs alone. Or if you decide you just can't live without one or the other, you can actually get both. So this is so much fun. I love this. So the Scentsy's little description of this is for the Toy Story fan who wants it all. Bundle includes both Buzz Lightyear and Woody Scentsy buddies, 1 scent pack and 1 Scentsy bar in our Buzz Lightyear to Infinity and Beyond fragrance, and 1 scent pack and 1 Scentsy bar in our Woody Reach for the Sky fragrance. Let's talk about what these scents smell like, shall we? Let's see here. So let's do Woody first. So the description of Woody's fragrance is, in a world full of possibilities, the sky is the limit, but you still feel grounded with white oak, sandalwood, and an uplifting touch of vanilla. And then let me see if I can kind of zoom in ever so slightly here. So as you can see, so with our buddies, there's a little zipper in the back. If you haven't seen some of my buddy videos, definitely check some of those out because you can actually see how it works with putting the scent packs and everything in. But there's a zipper on the back of him and you will put that scent pack into the back and he smells amazing. So this is what he looks like here. Super cute. Love him, especially if you are a fan of Woody. So let me share with you Buzz. Let's see here. That's not a scent description, so let's go to the scent description. Okay, so for Buzz Lightyear, the Scentsy description is, Scentsy buddy, this brave space ranger is loyal to the ends of the earth and beyond, of course. Each Buzz Lightyear Scentsy buddy comes with a scent pack in our Buzz Lightyear to Infinity and Beyond fragrance. Let's see here, maybe this will give me the scent description. Here we go. Blast off to a galaxy of endless imagination where fizzy orange and black currant are cosmically balanced with plum blossom and sugared raspberry. So that sounds really good. So let me zoom in on him so you can kind of see, oh, how cute. And so for him, his scent pack will go in his little like jet pack on his back. Super cute. And then this is what the front of him looks like. I hope you guys can see this. So just the buddy and the scent pack, each one is going to be $45 each. And like I said, that does come with the buddy and his inspired scent pack as well. So it's $45 US, 59 Canadian. If you want your favorite buddy that comes with the scent pack and the bar, it's $50 US or 66 Canadian. If you just want the scent pack. You don't want the buddy, you just want the scent pack. It's $7.50 US or $9.50 Canadian. Now, like I said, there is a bundle. If you want to bundle both buddies together, both scent packs, both bars, it's $95 US for both Buzz and Woody, or 119 Canadian. So these guys are available while supplies last. So that means they are going to sell out. I can promise you they're going to sell out. I don't know when. I don't know. I don't know when stock tends to run low. It just happens. I would assume these guys are going to go pretty quick, so make sure that you get your hands on these guys. These guys were actually launched on Monday, so don't wait. Definitely get your hands on these guys. If you are a fan of Toy Story, they are absolutely adorable. So, and how perfect Toy Story 4 is about to release. I don't think it's released yet, so totally perfect timing. So there you have it. Those are our new Scentsy buddies that are inspired by Toy Story. Let me know if you are going to pick one up for yourself. I would love to hear what your thoughts are when you wind up getting your buddy and what the scents, if you wind up loving the scents. By the way, something that just hit me. If you want to purchase the bars alone, they're not available for purchase, just the bars separately. However, you can add it into your Scentsy Club subscription and get it indefinitely. As long as it stays in your Scentsy Club subscription, then Scentsy will continue to make that bar for you. So if these sound like scents you may wind up liking, go ahead and add it to your Scentsy Club. And then when you wind up getting it, if you wind up not liking it, you can always edit it out and change it later, or, you know, take it out completely. So just kind of wanted to put that out there because I have had some people ask, well, what if I just want the bar? I don't want the buddy. You can get the bar, but you can't purchase it right now. You would have to purchase it in your Scentsy Club subscription. So let me know if you have any questions regarding that. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.